Hi, I'm Harsha Chelaram from YAMA Foundation, and welcome to Accessible Audio Yoga. Today's episode 2, the Sun Salutation Sequence. The Sun Salutation is a classic sequence of 12 yoga postures done in a flowing manner to salute the day. It provides a general warm-up to the whole body and improves circulation. We'll practice 3 rounds of this, starting slowly and building up. Position 1, Mountain Pose. Start in a standing position with the feet close together, toes pointing forward. Lengthen the spine, relax the shoulders, and bring the palms together in front of the heart. Position 2, Upward Stretch. Raise the arms forwards and upwards overhead with the palms facing each other. Lengthen upwards and arch back gently from just beneath the shoulder blades. Position 3, Standing Forward Bend. Bend forwards from the hips, bringing the head and the hands towards the floor. If you can reach the floor, place the hands on the floor. If you can't reach the floor, just allow the arms and the neck to dangle down and relax. If there is any discomfort in the lower back, bend the knees or release out of the pose carefully. Position 4, Low Lunge Right. Bend the knees, placing the hands to the floor on either side of the feet. Step the left leg far back and lower the left knee to the ground, coming into a lunge. Look forwards and upwards and breathe nice and easy. Position 5, Downward Facing Dog. Step the right leg back, even with the left. Press on the hands and feet so you can lift the hips high up in the air and the body makes an inverted V. Feel the stretch in the spine and the backs of the legs. Position 6, Plank Pose. From Downward Facing Dog, shift your body forwards until the shoulders come over the hands and you are holding the body straight as if you were about to begin a push-up. Hold for 1 breath and then gently lower the knees, chest, and chin down to the floor in any way that is safe and comfortable. Position 7, Baby Cobra Pose. Lying on your abdomen, raise the head, neck, and chest forwards and upwards without pressing too hard on the palms. Feel the stretch between the shoulder blades. Position 8, Downward Facing Dog. Pressing on the palms, push yourself up into the Downward Facing Dog position again with the hips high in the air and the body in an inverted V. Position 9, Low Lunge Left. Look forwards and swing the left leg forwards between the legs. Lower the right knee down to the ground, lowering the hips so you're making a lunge with the other side. Look forwards and upwards. Position 10, Standing Forward Bend. Step the right foot forward into a standing forward bend and relax here. Remember to bend the knees if you feel any discomfort in the lower back. Position 11, Upward Stretch. Bring the arms alongside the ears, lift the whole body up, raising the arms up overhead, and gently arching back from beneath the shoulder blades. Position 12, Mountain Pose. Stand up tall, return the palms together in front of the heart. Relax here and take a breath. Holding here with the palms in front of the heart, observe the breath's rhythm and appreciate that you have looked after yourself today. This concludes episode 2. Om Shanti. May peace follow you throughout your day. Thank you.